Hello, so my name is Rikko. I'm so happy to be here with Cosmoprof 2024 to do this special segment with you guys, which is Beauty Hunt Unbox the Beauty, where I'll be unboxing some latest products in this Cosmoprof and see where the trends are in the beauty market. So before I do that, I would like to introduce myself first. So my name is Rikko. I used to be in the PR and communications management for luxury brands, beauty and also fashion. And in recent years, I've evolved into event host and also a television personality, and I also do art management. So with me, I've bought so many beauty products all my life, and at the same time with my experience in my corporate work, I do have a special love and passion for it. So I'm actually really excited to see what there are new, on the market. So let's get started. So today our special topic will be on vegan products and also natural beauty. For me, I have money to spend, but I'll also like to be a wise shopper at all times. So whenever I actually get into a beauty product, I would do a lot of research in terms of ingredients. I would look into the brand concept and the story. And also, if the overall packaging is sustainable and also environmental friendly, because I care for the environment. All right, so there's going to be a series of products for this unboxing. So let's go with the first one. This is really the first time that I've opened the box and see what kind of products there are. And immediately I actually recognize this brand. It's called Gosha. From what I remember, it should be a Turkish beauty brand. This is a rose power essence, a booster for hydration. And why this draws my attention immediately is because I have dehydrated skin. So I'm all for hydration. I'm always looking for that, really absorbable essence that really keeps my skin very hydrated before I put on makeup. So this is something that, I'm really, you could say, expertise in. So let's give it a try. This one, it says 100% natural origin, and it's infused with, for all of you know, is hyaluronic acid, which is great for that moisture absorption and also the moisture stay. And it actually have an anti-blue light active. So actually this is pretty interesting. I haven't really heard of this term a lot just yet. So this could be something that you all could look into more and see what that is. So pretty much, let's try it out. Rose are obviously very known for the hydration. But for me, if I just look at this, I think the bottle design is really beautiful. It has this, glass with like a matte finish. So even as a decor, because for me, beauty products is not just the products itself. Whenever I try to get into a brand or a product, I like to look how beautiful they are, and I would actually display them at my home. These all make, how the beauty regimen and also your beauty routine to look very, especially pampering when you're at home. It gives you a really good mood. So, all right, this is Gosha. Let's see. So this is actually like a spray. All right. Now, whenever we're talking about spray, I really care about how good it sprays. You know what I mean? Like a lot of times, some of the sprays, it doesn't come out very diverse, which it comes. So I can actually put it on my face this time. All right. The spray is actually pretty good because it's kind of very evening when you spray it onto your face. It's very refreshing. I can smell a very fresh scent of rose. And I could see when I look into the ingredients, obviously the first few ingredients are the biggest amount in the formula. So the first one is already the Rosa Damascena flower water. The second one is glycerin and aqua. So, I like these ingredients as the first few. So yeah, I really like this. It looks really pretty as well. So you guys could check this out. It's Gosha, the Rose Power Essence. All right, so let's take a look at this one. This is like the largest one in the box. It's actually a natural spray. It's from a brand called Paris Bleu Perfumes, and this is called Candide Spotless Mind. So I guess, let's go back to the beginning. What is vegan beauty? Vegan beauty is something that's been very trendy. It's been very popular that, many beauty lovers have heard of in the past few years. So basically, it really just means that the ingredients are free of animal products or animal byproducts, such as, collagen or like silk or honey. So these products do not contain those ingredients. So if I just look at this, it has a very European artistic vibe, which I like. All right, so let's take a look. This is the perfume itself. I like the weight of the glass of this bottle because I think it all matters, you know. When you buy something, I always look at the material of it. And if you just look at this, it's very clear, the glass is very nice. So let's quickly try the scent. Okay, it's very refreshing. It does have a little bit of that, you know, ocean water kind of vibe. That's what it gives me the first time I look at it. Let's just quickly take a look at the ingredients. Let me see. Ooh, okay. The box doesn't really say that much. I'm pretty sure it's probably in the other packaging. But in terms of the scent, yeah, that's what it gives me. You know, a little bit of that ocean vibe. Very natural, and I think it's a really nice bottle to display in your bathroom. All right, so let's take a look at this. So this is a brand called Fruitia. It's derived from fruit. It's called a green grape pore control cream. And if I took a look at the packaging, it's a Korean product, and let me see. Yeah, it's manufactured in Korea. You could see that, you know, it's listed as vegan. So the ingredients itself, let's take a look. So mainly it has the grape because this is a green grape pore control cream. So what is it best for? It's formulated with 81% of antioxidant tannic-rich green grapes instead of water to support the skin's moisture barrier and prevent water loss. So I guess that's really important because if you really think about hydration, I would, you know, normally I would start with a toner and then I'll put with like a hydration serum. But once you have that moisture in it, you need something to also lock it in. Otherwise, you know, the moisture would just evaporate and then that wouldn't do, right? So, you know, in a beauty routine, there's definitely many different steps to do something. So this would be, you know, probably one of the last few steps because it is actually a cream. And if it's for pore control, then I guess it means that not only it has the hydration, it'll also help with the decrease of your pores on your face. So I guess, you know, this is also something that which I really like about K-Beauty is, you know, they're all for that natural look. So rather than, you know, thinking of, you know, what kind of makeup products or in terms of, you know, how the makeup products, does it have hydration or whatever, I always feel that you have to go back to the beginning, is how you take care of your skin. If your skin is really well and is very well hydrated, then you'll be able to take on any type of makeup products and you'll still have that moisturized and hydrated look. All right, so let's take a look at the design. Ooh, this is actually really cute. It looks like a little jar with green grape and the color, everything. It feels really nice. In terms of the texture, ooh, it's actually, let's see. So it's actually not as transparent as you think. So it seems like there's some sort of, you know, like little water bubbles in it. It's a bit of matte, but let's see the texture. Ooh, it's very, very velvety and silky smooth. And the feeling is very fresh. It's not sticky at all. It's going straight inside the skin. And the smell, probably most of these products, sometimes it has a natural fragrance, sometimes it doesn't, but yeah, this one has a really comfortable vibe that feels like, you know, you're pampering your skin with like real ingredients. So I really like this, and the bottle is really cute, so you guys can pay attention to this. Fruitia. All right, let's move on. So there are several more products in here. We have this product brand called Q-Ferret. I see some Korean on it, so it could be also a Korean brand. It's made in Korea. It's a moisture gel cream, so also something that I'm very excited to try on because I'm all for hydration. So we have a very clean design, white and black. So let's take a look at the inside. All right. You know, especially with cream, I would say looking at this texture, it's quite clear and it's very light. So I think it would be perfect for as a day cream before you put on your makeup and stuff. Okay. It smells very nice, but the fragrance is not very strong. I actually would love to actually apply this on my face, but I do have makeup on at the moment. But if you can take a look, it's very watery on my skin and not sticky at all. So I do quite like this texture. So this is the Q-Ferret Born to Glow Moisture Gel Cream. Ooh, okay. All right. So now this is something that also catches my eye because it's yellow. The packaging is very colorful. It's very vibrant. It makes you happy. The brand is called Catalyst. Sustainable Banana Science. So that's very interesting. It's a banana lip balm, nourishes and repairs. With me, I am super familiar with lip balms. I probably brought over like 50 different brands of lip balm because just generally my lip is very dry and I feel naked when my lips are not moisturized. So let's take a look at this one. I guess the main ingredient would be banana, and it's mainly for nourishing and also repairing. This is certified vegan. Let me see, 100% of ingredients are from natural origin. I really like that. Let's take a look. What else does it say? The packaging, at least 39% is recycled plastic package. So I really like the sustainability because it's all about the concept when someone put a new brand out. And a lot of beauty lovers in the market, they are much more knowledgeable as well, and they care. They care for every aspect of a brand. So I think this is very appealing. So let's quickly take a look. All right, so this is a little nice colorful tube. Let's squeeze it out. I'm actually going to try to apply it on my lip directly because I really like to see. It's very, very moisturized. Wow, I'm quite surprised. The products that Cosmoprof has chosen for me. It smells like banana. I like that. I drink like a banana berry smoothie like almost every day. So this reminds me of it. It feels very nutritious, healthy. And most importantly, yes, it makes your lips very moisturized, a little bit watery, and it's not sticky at all. So that's a checkpoint. Okay, so moving on, we also have this source mix. It's a natural power cell oil. Now, oils are also very important because, as I said, normally the beauty skincare routine goes from toner, then there's the serum, and then a light cream, and then maybe at the end, it's always good to use an oil. You can either mix it in with your serum and apply it directly, or you can use the oil as a finishing touch just to lock all the moisture into your skin. So again, packaging, it has this artistic aesthetic. This is made in USA and it's for all skin type. And honestly, I think it's really good to invest in a good oil because although it looks like a small bottle, right? But you can use oil for a very long time. Normally, a bottle of oil, which is this size for me, I can probably use it for like 9 months or even a year, depending, right? So it's important to find an oil that you really like and it fits with the rest of your regimen. So, I mean, if I just squeeze it like this, you can tell it drips very quickly, so that it means the oil is not thick. It does have that watery texture. Ooh, interesting. Let me see. It has that, citrus kind of scent. And let's see the absorption, because I have a lot of, like moisture cream and stuff on my hand already. Right now, if I just go like this, you can probably even tell in camera, it has that glossy look. So then it really means that it's quite moisturized. And the absorption is quite well. So do pay attention. So this is Source Mix, the Natural Power Cell Oil. All right, now this product is called Be the Skin. Just looking at the packaging, it's really on trend. We're into that simple but professional outlook. This product is also made in Korea, correct? Now let's see. It's a vegan retinol bakuchio cream. Now, every now and then there will be some new terms on the market or some ingredients that people start to put out, and where we as customers could actually look into and try to understand why this ingredient could be a new innovation that's good for beauty products. So this is something that you guys could look into. So let's just quickly open this. All right, very neat. It looks like a little felt marker. It looked good, with a lot of your products, or even in, if you're going to school, your stationaries, put this into your bag. It would look very chic and on trend. Now, ooh, okay, interesting. Because it looks like a little felt marker, right? But it is a serum. So let's take a look. All right. Ooh, interesting. It's bright yellow. So let's see. I actually even have to go research what this is. Bakuchiyo serum. So this is something that's interesting. I've never seen, beauty products or skincare that is of this color. It seems very interesting. Again, it's very blendable. It's very light. And of course, right now it's a little bit not fair because I do have a bunch of, beauty products on my hand already. But yeah, you could tell it's very easy to blend and to smooth out. And the texture-wise is also not very thick. So you guys could keep in tap of what these kind of products are in the market. All right, lastly, we have aromatherapy. So we talked about a perfume earlier, some serum, some cream. Now this is actually for peaceful sleep, to fall asleep with, and it's naturally calming and relaxing. I see a koala, so it is made in Australia. It's Australian made and owned. So let's take a look. This is probably, because with aromatherapy, sometimes you just kind of spray it on your pillow, you can spray it on yourself. There are different ways of doing it, so let's see. For this one, the packaging is really cute. It looks luxurious. And there's a slogan. It says, "May you sleep deeply tonight." So that's what we hope for you guys as well. So pretty much for this one, it's just you spritz 1 to 3 times lightly over the pillow. Yeah, so that's what I mentioned. You could spray on bed linen, your pajamas, or even around the room. And yeah, it's a little small bottle, miracle plant. The ingredients are all vegan. So let's see this spray quickly. Ooh, it's a very strong spray. It has, I think it's a combination of different essential oils. It seems like you're in a spa. So yeah, I hope you guys could also check this out. It's a miracle plant deep sleep natural perfume for her. All right, so all right, so, not a lot of time, but I tried to unbox these new products, which is popular in this Cosmoprof 2024. I hope you guys gain a little bit more insights onto what is trendy and what's innovative in the beauty market this year. And hope you guys enjoy the whole Cosmoprof, and we hope to see you guys again for next year. So see you guys next time. Thank you for having me.